Hello and welcome to our demonstration of Kaiser Morris pavement maintenance technology. We'll start off with our best-selling heat patching system. A single truck transports everything necessary to make quality infrared asphalt repairs. The Kaiser Morris model KM440 has 4 heat zones and 40 square feet of radiant heating surface. Its patented folding design protects the flexible ceramic element during transport and opens in a snap when it's time to work. Heavy-duty steel casters allow this heater to be positioned exactly where needed. No other large heaters on the market can match this maneuverability. There's nothing complicated about running the KM440 either. Just open the gas valves and turn on the ignition switch. Pilot light, cycling, and cool down are automatic. Typical heating time is 8 to 9 minutes for 1.5-inch penetration. The heater can be moved onto adjacent asphalt and will continue to heat. Taking time to define the edges of the repair will result in an attractive square-sided patch. A rejuvenating agent can be sprayed on the scarified asphalt to help bring back the flexibility aging took away. If the area is low, fresh asphalt can be added from the KM4000 hot box. Up to 4,000 pounds of asphalt can be kept at working temperature in the well-insulated truck mount unit. After leveling, the patch is ready for compaction. The KM440 is turned off and moved. The patented ceramic undersurface cools as quickly as it heated up, so you don't have to worry about softening asphalt where the machine rests. The results are a hot bonded permanent repair. This system is suitable for many other types of repairs as well. Large, small, dipped areas, high spots, oil spots, wide cracks, potholes, catch basins, utility cuts, and more.